What Stadler US decided to do moving forward was to send individuals to Hungary for training, myself included. We sent our welders over to learn how the Hungarians do it.
The training process was about 3 months long, and with the help of the Hungarians, we were able to get down a lot of the processes so we could come here and repeat what they were doing there as the best of our ability.
It was awesome working with the Hungarians. Like, those are some of the best welders I've ever seen, anywhere.
There was a lot involved in getting this set up: selection of tools, purchasing of tools, hiring welders, training welders, developing welding procedure specifications, building a quality management system, and generally equipping and getting everything up and running.
Sziasztok! A nevem Cecei Zoltán, és Szolnokról érkeztem, Stadler Szolnok Kft-től ide Amerikába. Mikor megtudtam, hogy jöhetek Amerikába, nagyon megörültem, hiszen ez egy új lehetőség számomra. Augusztus 11-én érkeztünk, feladataink az amerikai kollégákkal együtt a kocsiszekrények gyártása, összeépítése, hegesztése.
We've been getting the jigs set up, all the tools set up, and we finally got the first car bodies on the jigs, and we've just been welding away at it. So
we do high specification work to very tight tolerances. What makes it different from a lot of other welding is the fact that the aluminum has to be very, very clean. There's no room for contamination. So we keep things as clean as possible and do our work to a high degree of quality.
Az amerikai kollégákkal nagyon jó együtt dolgozni, hiszen jó emberek és jó szakemberek is egyben, bár még sokat kell tanulniuk. Szeretném nekik átadni a kocsiszekrény gyártásáról az összes tapasztalatomat a hegesztés és a megfelelő minőségben gyártás terén.
we have a different gas mixture here, so the gas that we use here burns a little bit hotter, and so trying to acclimate to that different gas temperature, it's been a little different, but nothing too crazy.
It's been very important to have that exchange of knowledge with our Hungarian colleagues so that we can produce at the same quality level as them and as we move forward at the same speed as them. With the rapid pace that this program has come together, it has been pleasing to see these car bodies getting assembled and welded out with good welds and passing their non-destructive tests. It hasn't been without challenges. We feel like we're off on the right foot, and we look forward to growing the program and being able to produce faster and better as we move forward.